In the heart of Ilorin, Kwara State, there is a hidden gem, Dada Pottery, the largest traditional pottery center in Nigeria. Imagine an entire acre where over 100 incredible women shape clays by hand. They create water pots that keep drinks cold for days and cooking pots that never burn. This is not just a craft, it's a way of life, a living heritage still vibrant till today. Everything old is new again when it comes to cooking with natural clay pots. Long ago, before modern cookware, our ancestors used earth, water, fire, and air to create this timeless cooking vessel, and they are still the best still today.
Say why? Iṣẹ́ tá a gbójú bá lọ́wọ́ àwọn ìyá wa, àwọn ìyá wa ni. Àwọn ìyá wa tá a gbójú bá lọ́wọ́ wọn. Ọkùnrin kan, obìnrin kan. Àwọn la gbójú bá lọ́wọ́ wọn tí wọ́n ń ṣe. Iṣẹ́ ìbílẹ̀ yìí. Iṣẹ́ ìbílẹ̀ yìí gbogbo wa. Ó sì fi kárí wa. Àwa náà wá ń ṣe bísímìláyì àtà ń ṣe. Pẹ̀lú alihamudulilayi, àwa náà sì ń rí i sí, à ń ṣe pẹ̀lú Ọlọ́run àtànábì Muhammad a sì ń rí i sí. Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ wa àtọkùnrin àtobìnrin a fi lé wọn lọ́wọ́, àwọn náà ń ṣe, ọkùnrin ń ṣe, obìnrin ń ṣe ni. Gbogbo wọn sì ń yege ńbẹ̀, báwa náà ti yege ńbẹ̀, báwọn ìyá aláwa tí wọ́n fi lé alọ́wọ́ náà ti yege ńbẹ̀, à ń ṣe ayege ńbẹ̀, àdúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run.
Tẹ́yìn tí ń ṣiṣẹ́ ní ìsìn, ó ti tọ́dún mélòó wa?
Àti iṣẹ́ yìí ní ìsìn tó yẹ pé kó dáa. Àtẹ́lẹwọ́ la bá la àmẹ́ni ọkọ ni àwa gan abá lọ́wọ́ ìyá tó tún bí ìyá wa tí wọ́n fi ń hàn wá ìyá tó bí ìyá wa ní tó wá kú àtún wá tẹ̀sọ́dọ̀ àwọn ìyá wa tí wọ́n bí wa. Àwa mọ̀ pé ọdún ni ti àlèmọye ọdún òwò bí tá a ti gbé lọ́dọ̀ ìyá àwa tó fi bá lọ́wọ́ ìyá kú a tún bá lọ́wọ́ ìyá àwa náà tún wá fún ìyá lọ́wọ́ ní kọ̀rẹ́ẹ̀tì.
Ancestral job.
Yeah, it's ancestral job.
Ọdún wọn ò lè mọ ọdún nìyẹn èlé mọ ọdún lórí èmi gan mo ṣe dúró jẹun bá ní kí n pé ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni mí tí mo bá gbé ìyọjọ́ òbí mi wàláì mo bá gbé ìyọjọ́ òbí mi.
Wọ́n nígbà ẹ̀ṣọ́ ọjọ́ òbí ń jò ni. Okay, some of these things, we have the modern home appliances,
yes.
And we have the replacement of these things that are made locally using clay, yes. And it's very cheap.
Like a pot, yes. Let me use a pot. Okay. This is the pot, clay pot, and this clay pot is very, very good for our for home use, exactly in terms of cooking. There is one they made for cooking. There is one they make for drinkable water. But let me just start how the clay product is made. We all know the clay, and we have different types of clay. We have white, we have a red clay, we have a lumen soil clay.
Clay, okay, lumen soil clay.
So, but this one they use is a white clay.
White clay.
It's very, very active than other one. So this one, initially they will get the clay, they will mix it with water. When they mix it with water, they will make sure that the clay mix thoroughly and become sticky. That is like a chewing gum.
Okay, like a chewing gum.
So when it becomes a chewing gum, they will now use it to form all this. Like if they want to make the pot, they will use hand to form the hollow inside. That is the inside of the pot is what we call the hollow. You just use hand
to form the shape till they get
the desired shape they want.
Okay, that's interesting.
So after that, they will now just rub the entire body, both internal and external of the pot.
Like they are doing plastering.
Yes, they are doing plastering to make it to be smooth.
Yeah, I've seen some of the workers doing it.
So after that, when they make it smooth, they will now place it inside the sun for some days in order to dry. When it is dry, there's another thing we call baking. This is what they did there.
Okay.
Baking.
Baking.
That baking is make the clay product to be durable and strong. So it will be very strong. Any clay product they not bake, it will not be strong, and it will not be everlasting.
Okay, I think that's like longer. The last step of the...
That is the last step.
Very last step.
Yes, okay. That is the last production.
The woman mentioned that after eating it thoroughly for like 2 hours, then while removing it, they will need to be putting inside that stuff. I don't know that substance they are warming.
The coloring.
And that will make it
that
black.
One they just need to make it to be attractive.
Okay, to
for those that want to buy, because
okay,
just,
even if they not put it in that stuff, it's not essential.
Yes, it's not essential.
Okay,
it's not
essential.
Yes. And this clay is very good, even for XYZ, than all those modern cooking pots, aluminium pots, cast iron pots. So this one, it cannot intoxicate any of our food. Okay, wow. It cannot harm us.
Maybe that's why our forefathers live.
Yes, that's how they live longer.
Because they don't
Because
contain
in the
all
olden
those
days they will
chemicals.
spend like 100 and something plus years. Nowadays, at age of 60, age of hardly you see 70.
Naturally sourced. And in India and some, maybe probably China, they have the same product that they are making, but they are doing it in a modern way, and they will export it to Nigeria to sell, and our people still patronize them. And which we have the same kind of product here, but probably it's being quality made, or we Nigerians have this sense of luxury. We always like luxury.
That's it.
So
that is
it's sometimes all of our perspective that okay, this is my view. So that luxury, or probably you want to belong. Okay, I'm using a modern cooking pot. I'm using, I don't know how you feel like. Maybe you are in your kitchen, you have all these things, and you have a visitor, and they came in. They'll be like, "What the fuck? Are you babalawo?" I don't know. That's the kind of mentality we have.
We don't know what the Almighty gave us, because Almighty Allah bless us.
We are so blessed.
We are so blessed in this country.
We are so blessed,
but we don't know our value. We don't know our value. All these things, we don't need to buy all those Cookware. This one can work better than Cookware. This is Cookware clearly made.
So this is a pot.
This is pot.
So now you're saying this, they can use it for several things.
Yes. You put the charcoal here in this hole for cooking. You put your pot on top.
On top, just like normal kulu pot.
Beneath the charcoal can be used for smoking fishes, meats.
So you can be cooking and simultaneously and smoke your fish and everything at the same time. Wow.
Anything. So this is a natural oven.
And it's very cheap and durable.
It's very cheap.
You can use this for years.
For years. We have it at home for use in my house.
Wow.
And I also have the modern gas setup.
Gas, this is really, really nice. I guess,
so
and
this is,
all these things have a very low.
This one is the.
I don't know why. Because
this is called oru in Yoruba.
Oru.
Yes.
So what is this
for cooking herbs?
Okay, herbs.
They put the leaves, the herbs, that's back of trees.
All those roots
inside. Pour water and put it on fire. Wow. For days. You drink from it. It is called.
I think some of our people now don't even drink agbo anymore. They all opting for.
That is a loss of civilization.
Okay. So we call this one a perforated pot.
Ajere
in Yoruba. Okay.
This is called ajere in Yoruba.
So what is this used for?
This one is used for incensing.
Wow.
Incense. You put incense and the smokes
go out
of
everywhere.
it.
All this
and it's covered the space outside it.
So let's say you have a a mosquito.
Yes, exactly.
Let it go out.
Exactly. You can put the
Or even turare.
Yes.
People use this. They still use this till now.
You can put
you can put turare
then you
inside.
put just some few embers of fire in
Fire. Wow. This is piggy
native
vest.
saving bank.
it. This one is called fitila. All you do with this is to put shea butter in it.
Yes.
And you look for cotton wood. Put it inside. Then you just put fire and it will burn for days without
smoking.
Without smoking, it will burn for days. This is the native cooking pot. It is called isasun in Yoruba. So thousands of years back, this is what our ancestors have been using to cook. It is the most popular cookware. But the modern civilization brought in aluminium pots and other metal pots. But the advantage of this is, with cooking with this, it doesn't lose heat quickly.
Yes.
It conserves heat.
Yes.
It lasts longer.
Yes.
When you wash this, it doesn't peel, but aluminium pots peel. So those fragments of aluminium pots in recent time have been discovered to cause ulcers and some other internal ailments within our human body. So this is the best for cooking. It is the best, and gradually civilization is returning back to these cooking wares now. When you look at most of our how do I call it, our socialites, this is what they're using eating now. So while this is a cooking pot traditionally, this is an eating pot. You can use this one to eat.
And most of those cooking wares we use today in these modern days are filled with chemical and synthetic coating, and a lot of chemicals you cannot even pronounce. But with this is more healthier and safer to cook your food. Clay pots are not just a cookware. They are symbol of heritage, identity, and craftsmanship. From Ilorin, Pupa, and Dudu pots to Gwari water jar, pottery has been an essential part of Nigerian culture for centuries. This is rabbit food bowl. It's locally made with clay and it's a Pupa type. So you can use this to feed your rabbit and it's very cheap. So if you own a rabbit, you can come and get this for your rabbit. Thank you very much, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this post. We love you. And you can see we are putting great effort in making these wonderful videos for you.
Yeah.
So please show us love and support by liking this post
and
sharing
it.
And even share it with your family, and friends. You can see this is very,
and don't forget to come and patronize us here. This is our heritage. This is our business. We were born and brought up in this. So please subscribe to this post. Subscribe to this channel.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Love you.
We love you.
Record the sound. Oh yeah. Subscribe. We love you.
We love you.
Thank you.